I'm Massimiliano Bertei, and I'm the manager of infrastructure and technology at Ducati, overseeing technology integration for road and racing motorcycle. Talking about the racing side, because I work also for the road side, but I think that's the most important, the racing side. I focus on IT solutions to expedite the motorcycle development process and generate reports during a Ducati Corse race to provide insight for decision-making process in the garage. About the remote garage, the idea of remote garage was born from the need to have the possibility to moving some processing from the track system to the Ducati HQ, the headquarter, where is it possible to use other very important Lenovo service and servers and storage such as an HPC. This helps us provide faster response to engineers on the track, and at the same time several engineers can work remotely, connected directly to the garage without going to the track, saving costing and also time. I can start with speak about the motorbike. For example, our motorbike have around 50 sensors on each bike, producing gigabyte of data every GP weekend. The idea is to create an ecosystem of data from the sensor. Then this data is collected from the sensor using standard protocol, no custom protocols. After collecting the data, these are processed and interpreted to create useful reports. The challenge is to be able to create reports using data from the sensor as fast as possible, even by outsourcing the process to the remote garage. We want to speak about more in detail about the remote garage. To configure the remote garage, we first had to configure Lenovo HCI in the track garage. With this, we were able to receive and store the gigabyte of data that each motorbike produced. Depending on the data, these are maintained and processed in the HCI or via an SD-WAN connection that use for us 3 different connectivity line are sent to HQ servers to be processed. Lenovo offers us all the data processing technology, but the focus for me must also be placed on the unfailing of the server and device, which is in the sport world, I think is the fundamental point. We need servers that always work and also in different climatic conditions, from USA to the desert to the north of Europe. To conclude the project, Lenovo also helped us to create a control room in the HQ that is the real remote garage, where the engineers see and can interact directly with colleagues on the track, even seeing what is happening via monitoring camera. Lenovo.